snap out of the illusion.
Alright, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. It's early in the morning, 8 o'clock. Nandito tayo sa Rev Point Moto. We are dropping off the tires for the Multistrada. Na-order na natin siya, pinag-uusapan natin to in our last few vlogs na kailangan natin magpalit ng gulong sa Multistrada. Michelin Road 6 ang ating napili kasi ito yung nasubukan na at ginagamit ni Omark TV. So the drop off natin today, papaschedule tayo and hopefully meron silang time for us today. So tara, kausapin muna natin sila. Alright, perfect. So we are accommodated for this morning. So now we have to go home again, pick up the bike and come back here. Samahan nyo ako and let's see what happens today. Later. Alright, so quick warm up lang muna tayo sandali. Na-drop off na natin yung gulong sa Rev Point Moto. And now we are picking up the bike para madala natin doon. And papaswap na natin yung mga gulong because it's time. Sobrang tigas na niya talaga. I mean, it's a 4-year-old tire na. Siguro mga 3.5 years old. Ubus na. As you can see, the rear tire is very flat in the middle kasi puro diretso lang naman yung takbo na itong motor na ito. Hindi naman ako bumabanking. Samahan nyo ako today, papalit tayo ng gulong. Ito yung importanteng errand sa motor na to na medyo matagal na nating pinupush na hindi ginagawa. What was the right term for that? Procrastinating ba yun? Currently Multistrada has 18,008 miles. Si Omark TV nagpalit siya ng tires, I believe around 14,000 miles. 12 ba o 14,000? Maki-confirm na lang, Mac. For us to be able to make 18,000 for these tires, sobrang sulit na. Pero even in my experience or yung aking pag-ride, kasi hindi naman ako siguro ganun ka-aggressive, for me to be able to make 4,000 more miles versus kay Omark TV. Actually, yung kay Moto MGP, mas low miles yung Multistrada niya pero mas ubos yung gulong niya sa akin. So sulit na rin for us to be able to make 18,000 miles on these tires para sa Multistrada. Pero syempre, ang napapansin ko rin, parang minsan may dulas na akong nararamdaman, lalo na sa front tires. And hindi na rin safe yung ganon. Syempre alam na natin na luma na yung gulong natin tapos hindi pa tayo uma-action. We bought the Michelin Road 6. It's the same tires that Omark TV is using on his Multistrada. Yun ang kanyang recommendation kasi sobrang okay naman daw. Maganda naman daw yung grip for him. And it's an improvement to the OEM tires na kasama nitong Multistrada when we bought the bike new. Kahit actually si Vince sa Ducati, Pikes Peak niya, ang gamit din niya is Road 6, which is really surprising kasi ano yun I think the OEM tires is like Corsa tires. So medyo higher performance yung OEM tires na kasama ng Pikes Peak, but he opted to go to the Road 6 kasi nga he was able to get more miles out of it. So we ordered the tires online sa Revzilla. Actually dumating siya almost 2 weeks ago na. Nasa atin na siya. Pero syempre kailangan ko antayin yung day off natin, tsaka magkaroon ng time para ipagawa. Kaya ngayon lang natin siya maasikaso. So tatambay muna tayo sandali dun sa ref point habang ginagawa nila tong multistrada. And mag-chain adjustment na rin yan kasi at nandun eh, tatanggalin naman niya yung gulong. So and one thing that I noticed, which is advice din ni Omar TV yun, ang laki din talaga ng improvement ng motor pag tama yung chain adjustment niya kasi walang slap yung kadena. So when I did that last year, I think around late summer, ang laki din talaga ng in-improve na itong motor na to ulit. I mean, imagine we're at 18,000 miles, so yun yung first chain adjustment niya. And I think since doon din tayo nagpapa-oil change. Yung huling oil change ni Multistrada dito rin kay Rev Point eh. Ilang miles ago na ba yun? 2,700 miles ago na nagpa-oil change tayo kay Multistrada. So we have about a little over 2,000 miles tapos change oil na uli siya. So ganun na lang gagawin natin. Every change oil, magpapa-chain adjustment tayo kay Multistrada. Kasi the bike is not getting any younger. Kailangan ang maintenance na itong motor na to tuloy-tuloy kung gusto pa natin siya magamit ng mas matagal. I have zero complaints. I love this bike. It's very comfortable. Gustong gusto ko siya gamitin lalo na pagka nagtatrabaho tayo. So we are here again sa Rev Point Moto. We're gonna hang out here and hopefully it doesn't take too long. And sometime today I would actually need to go see Vince again sa Ducati of Las Vegas. Alright, so we are here, Rev Point Moto. Papalit natin ang gulong ni Multistrada and we'll be back. Tuloy natin after. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng gulong pag nakakabit na, naka-install na. But let's check again how it looks like. I don't know kung nakikita nyo dito sa camera kung gaano siya ka-flat na oh. As in hindi na siya bilog, flat na yung gitna niya. And malapit na siya dun sa, I mean hindi pa naman tayo umabot dun sa limiter niya, pero malapit na. And we're not gonna wait kasi nga ang tigas na ng goma, hindi na siya malambot. And nafe-feel ko na siya minsan na nag-i-slip, kaya unahan na natin bago tayo unahan, di ba? That's the whole point. How are you, sir? Alright, let's go. We'll see you guys in a bit again. Deuces. And look at that, she is done. Brand spanking new tires, guys. Grabe yung difference na ito. Talagang ramdam na ramdam yung goma niya. Sabi naman ng mekaniko, for the amount of miles that I've done for this bike, surprisingly, hindi daw ganun kasama yung itsura ng gulong. I mean, pwede ko pa naman daw gamitin yun. It wasn't that bad. Siguro ako lang, yung aking utak lang knowing na luma na yung gulong ko. Medyo, alam yan, wala na ako masyadong tiwala sa kanya. But, I'm happy. 18,000 miles on this bike on those tires is good. And I'm excited to feel this one. Sabi niya, ingat-ingat lang tayo kasi bagong goma, so may mga chemicals pa yan na kailangan mag-rub off. Sabi niya, 25 to 50 miles bago ko raw upak-upakan. Hindi naman tayo umuupak, obviously, kaya tumatagal yung ating gulong. Pogi World connected with us. I think he's on the way here. So, naka-helmet na ako, alis na sana ako. Sabi niya, he's on the way here. But that's probably gonna take at least 20-30 minutes before he gets here. So, we'll wait for him and I think sasama siya sa atin sa Ducati. Alright. We'll continue this when he gets here. Yo, okay, we're back. And guess who's here? Pogi World in the Fizzy! You wanna connect?
Searching for group. Searching for group.
I don't think Pogi is pressing the right button.
Searching for group.
Sa car daw.
Grouping succeeded.
Yo!
Group member connected.
What's up? What's up?
What's up, playa? You're on the vlog, man. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Low battery.
You know, my car though is acting up.
Really? Why?
Yeah, I think the battery is already not good. It's not charging properly anymore.
Last too long?
Yeah, I mean, it hasn't fully died yet, but it's inconsistent. It tells me low battery, 25%, 50%, and then if I plug it in, it doesn't fully charge anymore. It's always red, you know. But I do have another one, the one for Jessica. So I think I'm gonna
Yeah.
start using that unit until I'm able to buy a new one.
You're able to buy a new one?
Yeah. He said on my next change oil, which is gonna be in the next 1500 miles, I need to change
Yeah.
pads. I need to change brake pads already too.
Oh, okay. That's easy.
Yeah. Yeah, the last change oil of this bike was in that shop.
Hey,
And
your front tire and your back tire look nice, but your front tire looks like it's too skinny.
yeah, that's the size that the profile. Oh shit. Never mind.
What?
No, there should be one more lane over.
Lane.
This one, because we're gonna make a left. Okay, he said yes. Come follow me. I thought it was a 2-lane to make a left. I guess not. What's up, bro? I miss you, man. Nice jacket. How much was
Yeah,
that?
my dad sent it from the Philippines.
No way.
5,000 pesos.
$100? maybe less.
It's about $100 because it was like 5,500.
Right. Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's $100.
I was there. I saw it at Motor Market, and then I was like, I'll just come back before I leave.
But you were not able to.
But I wasn't able to.
Oh.
And then my dad sent it with Ryan.
Nice. You're okay? We go to Ducati now?
Yeah.
Okay. Good thing you decided to use the Javel. You're
Well,
not
the easiest bike to take out.
you're not feeling the BMW today?
Want to bother taking it out.
Oh yeah, because it's all the way inside.
Yeah.
I had fun with that bike, man. Thank you for letting me use that.
No problem. Anytime.
You know, I hit 18,000 on this bike.
Really?
18,000 miles, bro. At this point, it's super worth it now. We'll continue the vlog when we get to Ducati. We're entering the freeway, so it's gonna be super loud anyways. Alright, we are done with Ducati. Time to eat lunch because it's already noon, 12:07. Time check. I'm hungry. Walang ginawa sa bike natin, pero yung bike ni Pogi, pina-activate yung heated grips. Tapos ang dami palang update na kailangan gawin. So it worked out for him. That's good. Pardo. This guy. We're gonna eat. What you wanna eat, Pogi?
Get some pookie.
Poke, baby. We're gonna have to make a U-turn, okay, folks?
Yes, sir.
Alright, be careful, be careful, be careful. Yeah, boy. New tires, baby. Man, it's lunchtime. I hope we can get some good parking. Parking, man. Ayun, there you go. Let's go.
Nice. It's reserved for you.
For who? Just
Damn, it's hot, huh?
it's hot, it's warm, it's gonna get crazy too. Alright, we are here. Time to have lunch. I'm gonna end the vlog here too, folks.
Okay.
Alright, man.
Hi. Peace.
Peace. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.